Hello and welcome to this video, where I'm going to be showing you how to use events in Director Radio Automation. When you've loaded up Director, open the Events Scheduler by pressing the Events button on the right hand side of your screen.
Director.
As you can see, the Event Scheduler is broken up into three main parts. At the top, we can create and modify events. In the center, we can view all events by day or all, as well as some delete, load and save functions at the bottom of this window. To get started, you can insert an event or browse to a certain file. If you browse, you can find some audio, a rotation, a sequence or a playlist, or you can insert a special element. You could have a sweeper, a time announcement, a rotation element or a stream slot. You could, if you want to insert a sweeper, say from a certain directory, if you press edit, you can see some information about this and you can change the path as well as enable voice tracking if necessary. Again, for time announcements, you can edit these as well by setting the path and the format. You can view the rotation elements that you have before setting one, as well as editing the stream slots that you have. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to insert myself a stream slot. I'm going to select my live news slot and press OK. That inserts it at the current time and disables it. Now we need to edit it. By double clicking, it loads it up in this top part of the window. You can see it's ready to edit because it says stream slot 1. So the first thing we want to do is to make this repeat on the hour every hour because it's a live news feed. So if we enable repetition to every hour and we change the start time to 00:00:00, we always want it to start and we don't want it to expire. We want an immediate start because the news starts on the hour and doesn't wait for our song to finish. I want to make sure it's enabled. We also want to make sure it goes out every day. When you're happy with these changes, hit modify to save. And as you can see, we're ready to go. We can see it's a stream slot. It's active all days. It repeats. It doesn't expire. It always starts. It immediately starts and it's enabled. So we also wanted to make an event to play our top 40 playlist at 6 o'clock every day. We could do this by pressing browse, browsing to the playlist we want to load, so top 40, opening it up and editing it. So at every day at 6 o'clock or 1800 hours, we want our top 40 playlist to play out. So I wanted to start today. I wanted to stop doing that. Let's call it next weekend. We want to turn immediate start off, so the playlist starts after the current track is finished. I want to make sure it's only active on the weekends. When you modified it, press insert, and it gets inserted into the scheduler view. Now, because it's only active on a Saturday and Sunday, if we go to the Monday tab, we can see it's not there. It's only there on the Saturday and Sunday tabs. This makes it easy to see what events you have on certain weekdays and makes organising of the events a lot easier. Say I've changed my mind and I don't want this event to play out anymore. All I've got to do is click to highlight and delete. That removes the event now from my events scheduler. I can load and save event sets, so if I hit save, call it my events, and save it, we can save this set. So we could create another set for a certain week or anything, and we can load this other set back up very easily. For the purpose of this video, we'll delete all the events and load our old one back up again. So load my events. Okay. That's just so you can see that we can load our other events back. If you collapse the instant players, you can see that we have an upcoming events view. This tells us what time the event is scheduled for, what it is, and gives us a bit of information about it, as it does in the scheduler. We can also see the next event in the track info area. It tells us the event is at 22:10 and is time with intro. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.